Water plays a vital role in maintaining good health, yet many people unknowingly make mistakes in the way they consume it. In this video, we'll reveal 8 powerful insights from a renowned Russian doctor, Fyodor Grigorovich, who lived past 100 years. Through his research, he uncovered simple, yet highly effective methods to drink water for optimal health benefits. By following his guidance, you could start noticing positive changes in just 7 days. Dr. Grigorovich firmly believed that longevity and well-being stem from natural, everyday habits, one of which is the correct way to drink water. Secret number 1, drink a glass of water before bed. Drinking a glass of water before bed can support your body's natural repair processes while you sleep. Dr. Fyodor Grigorovich advised having a glass of water about an hour before bedtime to aid tissue repair, nutrient absorption, and detoxification. While you rest, your body works to flush out toxins, process essential nutrients, and heal itself. Water plays a key role in this by supporting kidney function and keeping you hydrated throughout the night. Staying properly hydrated can also promote deeper, more restful sleep and help your cells recover more efficiently. Stick to just 1 glass to prevent frequent trips to the bathroom during the night. Try this for a few nights and see if you wake up feeling more refreshed. Secret number 2, sip water gradually throughout the day. Many people tend to drink large amounts of water at once, but Dr. Fyodor Grigorovich discovered that sipping water gradually is far more effective. Drinking small amounts consistently throughout the day helps maintain steady hydration, preventing stress on organs like the kidneys and heart. This method also enhances mental clarity and energy levels, since even slight dehydration can cause fatigue and slow cognitive function. Keep a water bottle with you and take small sips every hour instead of drinking an entire glass all at once. If you often forget, set reminders to stay on track. Secret number 3, avoid cold water. While cold water may feel refreshing, Dr. Fyodor Grigorovich advised against it, as it can disrupt digestion. When you drink cold water, your body has to work harder to warm it up, which can slow down the digestive process and even lead to stomach discomfort. On the other hand, drinking warm or room temperature water helps digestion run smoothly, keeps your body temperature stable, and can even improve circulation. Opt for warm or room temperature water, especially during meals. Pay attention to how your digestion responds. Many people feel less bloated and more comfortable after eating. Secret number 4, limit water intake during meals. Drinking too much water while eating can dilute stomach acid, making digestion less efficient and reducing nutrient absorption. Dr. Fyodor Grigorovich advised drinking water at least 30 minutes before or about an hour after meals to avoid this issue. If you're really thirsty during a meal, take only a few small sips. However, aim to drink most of your water before or after eating. Making this a habit may help reduce bloating and that overly full, heavy feeling after meals. Secret number 5, calculate how much water you need based on your weight. Dr. Fyodor Grigorovich emphasized that everyone requires a different amount of water based on their body weight. To determine your ideal daily intake, use this simple formula. Multiply your weight by 30 to 40 milliliters. For example, if you weigh 50 kilograms, your recommended water intake would be 1.5 to 2 liters per day. If you're more active or live in a hot climate, you may need slightly more to stay hydrated. Use this formula to calculate your daily water goal and track your intake for a few days. Adjust based on your activity level and how you feel. Secret number 6, drink water before you exercise. Dr. Fyodor Grigorovich advised drinking water before any physical activity to enhance performance and prevent dehydration. Proper hydration helps muscles function optimally, reduces the risk of cramps, and maintains electrolyte balance, which boosts energy and prevents fatigue. Drink a small glass of water 20 to 30 minutes before exercising. This simple habit can improve endurance, prevent overheating, and keep you from tiring out too quickly. Secret number 7, drink water slowly and mindfully. The way you drink water is just as important as how much you drink. Instead of gulping it down, Dr. Fyodor Grigorovich recommended drinking slowly to allow your body to absorb it more effectively. Sipping water mindfully helps distribute hydration evenly, nourishes your cells better, and prevents bloating or discomfort. Next time you drink water, take small sips, breathe deeply, and drink at a steady pace. notice how much more refreshed and hydrated you feel. Secret number 8. Make sure your water is clean. Grigorovich stressed the importance of drinking high-quality, pure water. Water containing impurities or chemicals can put stress on your organs, weaken your immune system, and even contribute to chronic health problems. Choose filtered or mineral-rich water whenever possible. Investing in a good water filter or drinking natural spring water can provide essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, promoting better health. Avoid tap water if it contains contaminants. Bonus tip: start your day with a glass of water. Drinking a glass of water right after waking up helps rehydrate your body, kickstart your metabolism, and flush out toxins processed overnight. Choosing water over coffee in the morning can also enhance your energy levels and improve focus. By following Dr. Grigorovich's water drinking principles, you can start experiencing noticeable health improvements in just a week. These habits may seem simple, but they are incredibly powerful. If you incorporate them into your daily routine, you'll likely feel more energetic, focused, and overall healthier. If you found this information useful, share it with someone who might benefit. Let us know in the comments which of these tips you're planning to try.